Hey everyone, you ready to make some big money? I am. That's why we're on the fruit bounty today. Apparently fruit bounty is going to reward us with real life cash for throwing some objects at fruit, I'm assuming. Here we go. Look, top right corner of the screen, we have the generic PayPal reward system there, everyone. $200 to cash out a PayPal rewards card. I agree that your data, which include payment email address, may be provided to this application for use. Payment address will be used for a payment. It will also be used to contact you to confirm your identity. Not now. I couldn't care less. It's a scam anyway. Guys, if you read the reviews of this app, oh my god, you will laugh for so long. People are so angry, bro. Look, $5 straight off the bat. Apparently, I just won, okay? $5, man. Get 2 times the diamonds to watch an ad. 44,800 diamonds equals $1. Okay. I only got 500 diamonds right now. Right. I'm so done in. This app needs to be banned as well. I can tell straight away, dude. Let's collect that money. PayPal. Okay, get $2.89. Right. And I missed. And now I have to continue. What? No thanks. Defeated. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, unlock a new skin. Here we go. 500 diamonds. And I got a PayPal rewards card there as well. Nice. I'm on $9 already, everyone. I got a new little object here as well. Beautiful. Let's try again. Easy mode, done. Collect 500 diamonds, watch an ad. No, go away, you pathetic excuse for an app. I'm so done in, dude. I'm so mad. How am I meant to do this? What is this right now? Okay, I guess I can just keep doing that. Go. If this is an ad, I swear. Oh, here we go. 270 diamonds, which is nothing, by the way. 270 diamonds. 159 diamonds. Yeah, so that's useless. Literally useless, everyone. Doesn't make any difference to our lives right now. Because the diamonds are nothing. Literally, the diamonds are nothing. Collect $1, watch an ad. No thanks. I want to keep trying to not watch an ad on this app, bro. And I missed. And it's over already. Great. Congratulations, you passed level 3. Collect $5, watch an ad. No. Oh my lord, dude. How many ads does it want you to watch? No wonder people are angry. Look, collect 500 diamonds, watch an ad. Collect $1.23, watch an ad. Oh my lord, how does anyone even play this app? That's my question, guys, out there. If you are playing this, why are you playing it? Guys, I'm doing the God's work right now. Exposing this trash. Seriously, everyone stay away from Fruit Bounty. You're never going to get your money. Look at this trash, dude. Seriously, brother. Come on. And anyone that argues with me, I've had some people comment on here, oh, no, I got paid out $200, man. Trust me. No, I'm not trusting you unless you show me photos, you muppet. Don't waste my time. It's so funny, dude. You can tell the developers are commenting on the videos sometimes, man. It's hilarious. Here we go. PayPal. Another $5. Watch an ad. No, thank you. Let's keep the grind up here. Done. $4.31. Claim. Better not give me an ad, I swear. No, it didn't. I'm trying my hardest to avoid the ads right now. Can you tell, everyone? Alright, let's unlock a new object here. Come on. Come on, I want to win that PayPal money. $2, watch an ad. Nope. Let's unlock another one here. Give me something good. Nope. Not collecting that PayPal money. Keep it going. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Get off my screen. I'm not watching an ad. Nice. Done. Easy mode. $2.68. Nope. $2.68. Yeah, nice English, Vince. $2 there of PayPal money. $5 of PayPal money. Watch an ad. Nope. No, thank you. $1.39. Watch an ad. Nope. How many ad prompts have we actually had, guys, in the span of about, how long here? 4 minutes. How many ad prompts have we had in 4 minutes? Can someone actually go back and count? I swear we've had over 30 ad prompts, dude. I'm not even joking right now. It is pathetically bad how desperate they are for you to watch those ads. This is not the right way to do it. It's really not. $1.49 there. And if you don't know, I post these videos every single day on my channel. I've made it my channel's mission to expose scam apps on the Play Store. I've just had enough. I've had enough of them, dude. They need to be taken out. Like, you don't get it. Every day I wake up and think, what kind of trash am I going to play today on the channel to save people time and effort? Seriously, dude. Look how fast this is spinning. Okay. Right. Shouldn't be too hard, right? There we go. Oh, yeah, this is where it gets a bit difficult. Okay. Oh, got one, though. Missed. Oh, my... You missed one, and that's it. You serious? 113 defeated, level 12. Okay, I'm on $18 right now, everyone. 18 real-life smackaroos. Okay, I got 2 ad prompts there out of nowhere. Oh my god, if someone's counting the ad prompts, I'll love you forever. Guys, if you want to be a real hero of this video, count how many times I got prompted for an advertisement, okay? I'm not even joking right now. Please, it'll make my day. If you're still watching to this part, do me the favor, count how many times I got prompted for an ad. Please, someone go out there and do it. Please, brother. I need it. I need to see. I guarantee it's well over 50 now. Surely, dude. Sure. Every time you see that pop up, that's an ad. Like, that's an ad trying to be triggered. It wants me to click it, but I'm not clicking it. It's classic, dude. Why do I care about the chests, man? Look, app, I don't care about the chests. I know you want to give me diamonds so I get the new... Oh my god! Gonna win some money tonight. Woohoo! Get off my screen, you scrubs. Okay, we're still going here. Unlocking all the chests today. Give me those diamonds, baby. Give me the diamonds. There you have it, everyone. Continue, get 3. No. Get off my screen. Seriously. Ugh. Alright, let's purchase some new objects. 1100. Done. Regular. Got a regular one. I'm trying to get like one of the rare drops here, guys. It hasn't given me it yet. Yep, still regular. Come on, give me something rare. Seriously. Ah, what are you doing? Nothing. Okay. So I guess if I keep scooting over, I can get more of the objects here, guys. If you have a look, different price points. It's interesting. Let's go this one. Let's see what I get. The most generic one, it looks like. Battle Dart. Okay, sure thing, dude. Oh, man. Everyone, let me know in the comments what you think of Fruit Bounty. I mean, for what it is, it's pretty straightforward. Like, I don't know what app this is actually copying. I'm pretty certain this app already exists on the Play Store. They just ripped it off and put the whole premise of win real-life money. See, the problem is with me, guys, is that these apps actually would be decent if they didn't add the real-life money aspect to it. Like, dude, you don't need to trick people. I mean, no, you do need to trick people into playing the app, I guess, because the app's so generic. Let's be real. Like, there's probably 1,000 of these apps out there on the Play Store right now. So, whatever. Do what you have to do, developers. You're still terrible, terrible people for what you're doing right now, scamming people. Either way, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Really hope you all did enjoy. Check out my channel for more videos exposing these Muppets of the Earth. And yeah, I'll catch you later. See you around.